you for watching. I look so bald, it's crazy, but I won't be bald for long. I think I was actually wearing the same sweater in my last video when I did a hair unboxing. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. My eye makeup kind of matches the packaging of this brand. As usual, I want to do a little first impressions. I'm gonna do this like super duper quick so I can hurry up and go try it on and show you guys. If you want to see that, then be sure to keep on watching. If you're into like hair reviews and stuff, I have a few of them coming. Always have hair reviews coming. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and thumbs up this video. So this is the hair company I am going to be unboxing today. Their brand is Beauty Lumina. I bought their body wave in the 24-inch. So we're just gonna do a first impressions and see how it is initially out the box and check for all the things that you'd usually check for if you bought some bundles. So yeah, I got a 24-inch because summer's coming, and last summer I had like really long pretty hair and I really liked that, so I wanted to get something similar for this summer, and luckily they hit me up before I went out and bought something because I was not trying to buy nothing at all. I mean, either way you would have gotten a hair review, but my pockets wasn't trying to like make that type of splurge. I'm really excited to like see this hair. I've been like holding off from like opening this box for the longest just so I can like open it with you guys. So this is how it comes. It has like this packaging. Also, by the way, I really like the color of this packaging. Like usually it's kind of like regular or like, you know, I don't know, but they really did it with the packaging. I really like it. It's kind of like this pastel like rainbow type stuff. Not that it matters because I'm gonna throw that away and I'm never gonna use it again, but it's still like appealing, you know. Comes in this little thing. Ooh. Oh, it comes with the rubber band like the last wig I reviewed. It comes with that like strap to go around your head. Last time I reviewed it, it fell out the box just like it did and I didn't even see it. So here it is. Ooh, it is long. I'm excited to see like the length on me. Right out the box, I feel like it's really soft and I like the curl pattern. Like I didn't want it to be like super duper curly, so I feel like this is like good enough. I'm also super curious to how it straightens. I kind of want to wear it straight today, so maybe you guys will see how it is straightened. This is it. It is like this brown color, like a natural brown that they usually come in. Actually, it's kind of more like chocolatey type of brown. This one actually does kind of have a smell actually, but it's not like a bad smell or anything. It smells maybe like a factory, but it doesn't smell bad. Like it's not something like, ugh, you know, like I don't know, it's not like pungent. It has a light smell, but I'm sure like if you wash that it would just like be gone. This is what the lace looks like. That's my hand. You could see like pretty clear lace, and it's also a 360 wig. I forgot to mention that. It is deep wave 360 wig, 24-inch. I've actually never had a deep wave before, so I'm super duper excited to try this on, and I'm running my fingers through it and I'm not really getting any shedding, and it's not like super thin at the end. Also, that was something I was kind of worried about, like if it was going to be like super tapered at the end. I think that's everything that I can mention about it. Shipping, it's from Amazon, so if you have Amazon Prime, it's not going to take a bunch of time. This actually came a day early, but also the whole coronavirus thing is making like delays in delivery. This came in about 3 days, but typically for Amazon it would come in like 2 days. So yeah, I feel like super duper bald and weird, so I really want to try this on. So I'm just gonna go do that now, and you guys can see what it looks like while it's on my head. It's so pretty. I guess try it on. Let's see. Maybe I'll straighten it for you guys because I'm thinking about it, and like me just reviewing this wig, I feel like it's gonna be really short of a video. So yeah, maybe I'll do that. Let's see. so this is how the hair looks on. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments down below. I think this hair is super duper pretty. I feel like it's exactly what I wanted for summer. I feel like my makeup and the big hair is like OD. Like I need to tone it down. I mean, like I don't, but I could. And I could look so extra for like a regular day right now. But yeah, super duper pretty. If you guys can see, it's like super voluminous. The smell is gone and it smells really good. It smells like the conditioner that I put in it actually. So this is basically how it looks after you wash it. At first I was like, it's kind of short for a 24-inch once I put it on, and it was kind of like flat. But once I'm glad I like had to wash it so I could show you guys, because now it's like longer and it's more voluminous, and even the curls are just like prettier. And I mean the curls were pretty before, but they're like prettier now. And this is how long the 24-inch is on me. So it's like about tailbone length, perfect length, or like waist length. I forgot to show you guys like the clips and stuff, but there's like clips in here and there's like the band here. But I feel like with 360 wigs, does anyone ever actually like put the clips? Because you have to put the wig cap, so I really don't understand how they can have the clips with the wig cap, but that's just besides the point. But yeah, super duper 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 pretty. I really like it, and like for the cost of it, I feel like it's worth it. Some bomb summer hair while I'm stuck in quarantine or self-isolation, whatever. It's cute. Yes, I like the volume. OD, I was like super worried it wouldn't be like have volume, but like it has more than enough. I feel like every time I get like curly hair, I have to OD get adjusted to it. Like maybe put some bangs or something. I don't know what I'll do, but it's pretty. It's definitely nice hair. I forgot to tell you guys the price. For the 24-inch, it came up to be $191 and some change. That's a pretty good price for this length and a 360 lace wig. I mean, under $200 for a 24-inch and 360 lace. I feel like that's a pretty good bargain. And if you guys can see the lace, I feel like it's pretty. If you guys can see, I have on a black wig cap, so I don't know, I personally prefer wearing a black wig cap than like a brown wig cap. I don't know, I just think that's me. I prefer when my scalp looks darker, and then like the beige on top of the black for me just like evens it out. So yeah, if you guys want to buy this hair, I'll leave the link in the description. Tell me if you would buy this hair in the comments, or if you plan on it. I honestly don't know what else to say. Like, shipping was good. Oh yeah, there was no tingling like as I was doing it. It is curly hair, but at the same time, like I feel like that's a pretty smooth run through for curly hair, if you ask me. Shedding, I did get some shedding as I was washing it, but I would say it's nothing crazy for curly hair. Like my experience with curly hair and my own natural hair, there's always like shedding. So yeah, there was a little bit of shedding during the whole wash process, but overall I'd say this is a pretty good unit, and for the price I'd say it's 100% worth it. And honestly, I don't think I'd be here if it wasn't. So I hope this review is good enough. I hope it was helpful if you're looking to buy this hair. It's a go from me, and I mean, you could see for yourself. I feel like this is very pretty, like, and I feel like the price is super low for the quality that you're getting. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more hair tutorials like this one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I don't know why I just did the intro, like this video already started. So I've been wearing this hair for like a couple of weeks now, maybe like 2 weeks now, and it's like basically my favorite unit. I'm so Oh, there's my brush. I have this like super dusty brush, guys, but it's like the best brush. I've been wearing this hair for 2 weeks now, and oh my gosh, guys, I think it's like my favorite unit. The curls are so pretty. It's just like gorgeous hair. It's like the volume is perfect. The style, the waves are perfect. I'm like obsessed right now. Today, I decided that, well, actually it's like 3 in the morning. But I decided I wanted to straighten this hair on camera for you guys, so you guys can see how it is straight, and you guys can see the length of it when it's straightened and how it looks straightened. I'm not gonna do like an in-depth tutorial on how I straighten my hair, so if you guys want to see how I straighten my hair in depth, I'm gonna like put a card at the top somewhere, and you guys can go watch my tutorial on how I straighten my hair. Hopefully it comes out really good, because I really don't have any product to use in it, because I don't want to make it like oily with my heat protectant that I use in my regular hair, and I ran out of my other heat protectant. And as you guys know, we're on quarantine right now, so I can't like go get product as easily. And also, if I was to order on Amazon, it's probably gonna take forever to get here. But I'm just gonna show you me straightening the hair and how it looks. I'm gonna do a little speed through, show you guys how it looks straight, and give you a little 2-week update. So I personally really like it. Right now, I just washed it and blow dried it, and it has 0 product in it right now. I'm gonna just straighten it, and then I'm gonna put some oil, like some olive oil spray over the top of it. So let's see how that goes. I'm gonna put what time it is right now on the screen, and I am going to tell you guys how long it takes me to straighten this entire thing. It is a lot of hair, guys. Like, I really like this unit. It's just like lived out its full potential for me. So yeah, that's that. And even when I put like the mousse in it, and then like the curls get super duper defined, which is the way I had it before I washed it. I kind of wish I showed you guys. It's just like so pretty. Like, I really like this hair, and I would recommend it for anyone who's like looking for like a deep wave, or like a summer unit, or whatever, just like curly hair in general, because it's just a really nice curl pattern. It's just, I really like this hair. Okay, so that is how long it took me to straighten this hair. It is 4:04, and I started at 3:25. You guys can calculate however minutes that was. Yeah, so even if you wanted to get like super straight hair, I feel like you could go for this and then straighten it, because you know, sometimes you get like, especially if you get like more affordable like straight hair, sometimes it'll be a little bit thin, especially when you get it like this long. So I feel like this is even a great alternative if you want to get some like long hair, and then you can wear it curly. Sometimes you can wear it straight, but it won't be like super curly, and it won't be like a manageable curly, like, you know what I mean? Some real thick, nice, luscious straight hair, and also switch it up and like have it be curly. But look at that, it's so pretty. Like, guys, you see this? This is like commercial hair right here. Like you know, like the commercial for like shampoos and stuff. Like, this is that type of hair. Do you see that? It's so great. But please, guys, do not mind this side. I really should have taken off more of the lace on this side, but like literally I feel like I should have taken off the lace up until this point right here. See, you know, it would look way more natural like on this side, but no, I was like, let me leave a little bit of extra lace, but I obviously left too much, and every single time I forget until I have it on my head and glued down to like cut the lace some more. But anyway, apart from that, I feel like the lace is pretty like seamless, as seamless as it could get without doing the whole ball cap method. Right now it doesn't matter like at all, because I'm not going anywhere. I literally just straightened this to show you guys. I'm gonna lay my baby hairs, and then I'm gonna wrap up this video, and then I'll look super duper way more natural. Do you guys see how pretty that is? Like, I could do a braid right here and just like pin it up and wear it. That would be so pretty, right? That entire vibe right there. Yes, thumbs up this video for this vibe right here because I am feeling it. Don't mind this, but like over here, that's a vibe and we're going for it. Like, now that I see how like lush or full it is being straight, I just wonder how pretty it would be curled, because curly hair curled is just a whole other ball game. Big hair life. Maybe this is how those girls do it when you see it on Instagram, that aren't buying like $500 hair a bundle. Probably just buy some curly hair and straighten it. One thing I also want to note was like, did you guys notice like how dark this hair is for a natural brown? Like, it's so nice. Like, this is that like healthy hair color. When your hair is healthy, it's like darker. So like, this is that healthy dark brown color. Like, whoever they got this from, God bless them, because this is some nice hair. I'm just saying. This is my hair goals actually. By the way, if I didn't tell you guys, this was 24" and it was under $200. So I mean, like, that's pretty good. With taxes, it was under $200, which I think is really good. 24 inches, and you get like this bomb type straight and bomb curly. Like, I mean, come on now, like, that's great value. By the way, again, this unit is from Beauty Lumina Hair Company off of Amazon. I'm gonna put their link in the bio, of course, and the link to this wig. And this was their 360 lace frontal 24" water wave. So if you plan on buying it, that's what it is. And it comes in this pretty packaging as well. So I feel so aesthetic right now, actually. My long, pretty, voluminous hair and this super pretty packaging. Go buy this hair, guys. Beauty Lumina. Hopefully this helped you if you are thinking of buying this hair. I would say personally go for it. I mean, like, you can like judge for yourself what you think personally, but like, I feel like this hair looks so nice. And like I said, I was literally gonna wait for summer to wear it, but it's just so nice. It's like, I could be pretty now. That's it. Thanks for watching. Again, I hope this video helped you. It took me a minute to film it, so I hope it was worth it for you guys. Thanks for watching. I don't know how to my makeup right now, but I better start liking it. It's because I'm about to film a whole other video with it, so better start liking it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, if it helped you out, if it even just like showed you what you were looking for, then give it a thumbs up. If you want more hair reviews, I'm sure I'll have many more to come. Let me know also if I should like do a tutorial of me trying to curl this hair, if you guys would be into that. But yeah. Hope you like this video. Hope it helped you out, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if it did, and hit the subscribe button for more hair reviews and stuff, fun stuff all the time. Good vibes, lots of love. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye. So pretty. Such pretty hair.